So today, I'll show you how to find the workout history on your Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So for instance, if you came out from a workout or you did a workout and you'd like to see the statistics of that particular workout, you can do that on your Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So to do this, access the watch face, then swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the app settings, or rather the app menu. Then scroll down and find the activity option. So scroll down and then you'll see this option activity. So tap on it. And then now from here, you'll see a brief descriptions of your workout. So let's say for instance, if you'd like to see a particular workout, so let's say for instance, this one. So tap on it. And from here, you can see a brief description or a brief detail on what the workout was about. So you can see things about how long it was, how many steps you took, how many calories you burned, and all that. Additionally, you can see this from the Mi Fitness app in detail. So grab the phone or the device that is paired to your Smart Band 9. Then open the Mi Fitness app. So within the Mi Fitness app, tap on the option workout at the bottom of the screen. And then you'll see an option workout history. So tap on that. And then from here, you'll see a list of all the workouts that you did. If you want to check them in weekly basis or in a monthly basis, choose the month, in a yearly basis, or the all-time basis. So let's say, for example, if you want to check details of a particular workout. So for instance, let's say I want to check details of this workout, select it. And then you'll see a brief description or a detailed description on what the workout is all about. So you can do the same with all other workouts. Select that, and then you can see a brief description on what the workout was all about. So that's basically it on how to see or find your workout history on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.